My name is Jeff.
So today we're going to teach you how to do the PC installation. But before that, do you all know what is PC?
So PC, also known as personal computer, which is a digital device that's installed with a variety of components such as CPUs, RAM, or even GPU. So after this video, we hope that everyone knows how to install their PC perfectly. Now we put CPU. CPU sini. Okay, so kena be very careful. Slide it into the socket. Right, adjust sikit. Make sure dia dah secure, tapi jangan tekan. Lepas tu dia dah macam ni. Guna handle ni untuk securekan dia. Tada. Lepas tu, we put the heatsink to cool down the CPU.
Now we are going to put RAM inside the RAM slot and make sure the pin fits here. Then press.
I will shoot into the case. Then just make sure it fits a bit. But if it doesn't fit, when we put a motherboard, we can adjust a bit. Okay, so this is how we do it.
Okay, now we are going to put the motherboard inside the PC case. And then make sure you connect to the I/O chip.
And now we're gonna screw the motherboard secure and tightly. Okay.
Then we are going to put network card inside it.
So this is the power supply, which is the heart of the PC. So we're gonna install it.
Siapa dia punya part hard?
Put here already, then we're gonna screw it.
Okay.
So now there's a lot of cable, but so we're gonna attach it to the motherboard. This is for the motherboard. So we're gonna put it in. So it's 24 pin. This one is for the CPU. So we're gonna, it's a bit hard to attach, but we're gonna put some patience. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna attach the remaining cables from here. Okay, so we pasang the remaining cables to here, and then this is the hard disk, so we're gonna put it in here. Okay, then we lock it. After we put it in, same thing, we're gonna attach it to the cable as well. Let me see which one is it. Okay, so it's now attached.
And then lastly, we're going to put the floppy disk drive. Press. Okay, done. And then lock.
Because the fan is a bit big, so we're gonna install the fan lastly. So we're gonna make sure that the hole is towards here, so we can screw it. And then don't forget to put your CPU fan socket into here. So we just put it in already. Then we just screw it, then it's done. Then after it's screwed, we're gonna slide in the CPU case into here. Then it's done.